Ever wondered about the sensation of a profound shift in your understanding of life? That's what we call a spiritual awakening. Not an exclusive club, but a universal potential. It's an experience that can touch anyone at any moment. Unpredictable, it can strike in the midst of chaos or in the silence of solitude. Spiritually speaking, it's like opening a door. Imagine stepping from a dimly lit room into the brilliant light of day. The world doesn't change, but how you see it does. Suddenly, you perceive a deeper connection to the universe, a sense of unity that transcends the physical. So how would you know? It's not always dramatic. Sometimes it's a subtle shift, a quiet whisper of change, but it leaves a lasting impression, a deeper understanding, a sense of peace. Remember, spiritual awakening isn't a destination, but a journey. Embrace the path and let the journey unfold. Do you believe you're going through a spiritual awakening? Let us know in the comments about your experience or some of the changes you've noticed during your journey.